If you're trying to cook healthier meals but you're frustrated with pans that stick, overheat, or contain questionable chemicals, this is a review you'll want to watch all the way through. A good frying pan can completely change how enjoyable cooking feels. And today, I'm breaking down a ceramic skillet set that's been impressing a lot of home cooks. We're talking about this Redchef ceramic frying pan's 4-piece non-stick cookware set, a sleek, non-toxic option designed for everyday cooking with serious performance. The purchase link is available in the description below. Let's dive into what you actually get, how these pans perform, and who they're best for. What makes Redchef ceramic frying pans different? The standout feature here is the non-toxic ceramic coating. Redchef uses food-grade ceramic materials that are completely free from PFAS, PTFE, and PFOA. That means no harsh chemicals and no worrying about what's leaching into your food, especially important if you're cooking daily or preparing meals for your family. The nonstick performance is excellent. You can cook eggs, vegetables, fish, or pancakes with little to no oil, and food releases cleanly without scraping or sticking. Heat distribution and cooking performance. These pans are made from forged aluminum with precision-engineered thickness across the base. In real-world use, that translates to fast, even heating with no frustrating hot spots. Whether you're sautéing veggies or searing protein, the heat stays consistent across the entire surface. They're compatible with induction, gas, and electric cooktops, making them a versatile option no matter what kind of stove you have. And yes, they're oven-safe too. Both the ceramic coating and stainless steel handle can handle extremely high temperatures, which is perfect for finishing dishes in the oven or achieving a proper sear. Key features: non-toxic ceramic non-stick coating with no PFAS, PTFE, or PFOA. 4-piece frying pan set with 8, 9.5, and 11 inches pans plus a multi-size lid. Rapid and even heat distribution for consistent cooking. Ultra non-stick surface for low oil, healthier meals. Dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Stainless steel, double riveted. Handle for strength and control. Induction, gas, and electric compatible. Oven safe at extremely high temperatures. These are practical, everyday features that actually improve how you cook. Comfort, cleanup, and daily use. The stainless steel handle is lightweight, sturdy, and ergonomically designed, giving you a secure grip without feeling bulky. It stays comfortable to hold and feels well balanced, even with larger portions. Cleanup is simple. Most of the time, a quick wipe and rinse is all you need. When you want convenience, the pans are dishwasher safe, though hand washing will help extend the life of the ceramic coating. The included lid fits multiple pan sizes, which is great for simmering, steaming, or keeping food warm without cluttering your kitchen with extra accessories. Who are these frying pans best for? The Redchef ceramic frying pan set is ideal for health-conscious cooks avoiding chemical coatings. Anyone who cooks eggs, breakfasts, or quick meals daily. Home cooks who want reliable non-stick performance. Kitchens that use induction, gas, or electric stovetops if you want cookware that's simple, safe, and performs consistently. This set fits right into everyday cooking. Final thoughts. The Redchef 4-piece ceramic frying pan set delivers where it matters most. Non-toxic materials, smooth non-stick performance, fast heating, and easy cleanup. It's a solid upgrade if you're replacing worn-out pans or switching to healthier cookware, but don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the description to check current availability. And if this review helped you, subscribe for more honest cookware reviews and kitchen upgrades you'll actually use. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.